Sunsets. Do you like them? I personally am obsessed with sunsets. Sunrise के साथ भी होती, but kind of a nocturnal person right now. Anyway, the reason I'm obsessed with sunsets is because it reminds you that no matter what, however shitty, horrible, or sad your day was, the day will end, you know? And since I'm a reader and a literature student who tends to go beyond the obvious, I also like to believe the same about bad things or phases. And during one such particularly sad time, I went on my second solo trip. I know, very cliche, to Landor. And this vlog is about that. I just spent a day here, but it was so worth it. अगर आप भी plan कर रहे हो, तो save this video. And let's go. A little heads up though, there's a lot of traffic on this route and it took me 1.5 hours to reach my treehouse. Yup, I was staying in a tree house for the first time ever and I was excited with capital E. The name of the place was Landor Cottage and I will link their Insta in the description below. Almost sunset ka time hone wala tha, so I got in my tree house, freshened up a bit and went straight out to walk on the famed streets of Landor. It's extremely pretty, soothing and hilariously decked with a lot of cheeky and motivating quotes that I loved. I was staying close to Sisters Bazaar and wahan se there are two routes you can take. One that crosses the Bakehouse and the other that crosses the Rockby Mena. और अगर इतने amazing sunsets and Landor का famous winter line देखना है तो take the route that takes you to the Rockby Mena. The sunset was breathtaking. The kind where your soul becomes a little brighter and happier. I sat there for a while and went to Emily's, the restaurant of Rockby Manor, to watch the winter line. Yahan se I saw the winter line, which is simply surreal, and I teared up a bit too because it just made me happier and hopeful for the times ahead. And it's definitely worth the hype, and it's only visible from two places in the world, Mussoorie and Switzerland. Definitely go for it and आपको बिल्कुल देखना चाहिए ये. Emily's में I had their honey ginger lemon tea, baked potato cheese and the famous sticky chocolate pudding जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा tasty था. Everything was A+ and no complaints on the food. Ambience was amazing and the vibe was serene and chic and elegant. They also have a sitting cum library area just straight out of my nerdy dreams and definitely a place you should check out if you stay there. इसके बाद I headed back to my tree house because it was already night, but the walk back was serene with the view of the Mussoorie lit up like a city of stars and the moon shining above. काफी सुंदर, शांत और सुकून से भरा evening. Next day, I woke up at 6:30 because somehow I magically wake up early when I'm traveling and headed straight to Lal Tibba, a cozy little cafe that is situated at the right place to help you witness the magic peaks of the Himalayas, namely Neelkant in Badrinath, Kedarnath Peak and mountains up to the Bandarpooch range are visible from here via telescope. यहाँ से I'm pretty sure sunset और sunrise का view amazing आता होगा, but I did not have the time, which I'll make on my next trip. And they also serve the cafe a big cheese sandwich, gravy momos and एकदम घर जैसी फेटी हुई coffee, which you'll absolutely love, and it's all very reasonable. After sitting here and soaking in the breathtaking view in front of me, I walked back to the Landor Bakehouse for coffee and croissant. They get super crowded after 10 to 11 am, so make sure you visit before that. Since it was a little earlier than 11, Char Dukan, Sisters Bazaar and the churches were closed. But when you are in Landor, the famous saying that the journey is more important than the destination stands. And how? Landor is simply best place if you love sunsets, if you love hills, if you love slow, relaxed evening walks around the town without any chaos or the crowded tourists. It's amazing and it's definitely a place you should visit in 2024. But if you want to see the winter line is only visible from mid-October to mid of Jan or Feb. So if you want to see the winter line, plan your journey accordingly. Subscribe for more such content. And if you love books, cafes or in general read notes I scribble that may make you feel a thing or two, definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching.